I'm late. I started walking here since yesterday, but in claymation time, that is practically a sprint. Welcome to the world where every blink is a production and every eyebrow raise takes an hour. I have always taken a liking in claymation from I was still small until now. For me, there is just a certain charm to it. For the first time I chanced upon it, I don't even know what it was called. I just thought it was fun. I discovered it was called as Claymation by my elder sister that was also watching the show. So there is a lot of things that I have learned from this topic. I have also added a couple of extra facts for today's speech. Claymation is a type of stop-motion animation where characters made from clay are moved slightly between each photo, creating the illusion of motion. However, unlike other animation, claymation uses physical objects, making it a unique and hands-on art form. I will explain to you 3 stages in claymation. The first one would be pre-production, second one would be production, and the third one would be post-production. So let's start with the process of pre-production. So, pre-production for claymation, the beginning of everything. We will be talking about 2 elements. The first one would be materials. So the material used in claymation include modeling clay to create the characters and armatures, metal skeletons inside the clay figures that help them move. Tools like sculpting knife and brushes are also used to add details and texture to the clay model. The second element in pre-production would be the character and scenes. To create a claymation character, the clay is molded to show shape and expression. After the character is finished, a scene is set up with backgrounds and props. Second step, production for claymation. So just like production, we will be also touching 2 elements in this section. The first one would be frames. So each frames in claymation is captured one at a time. The character will be moved slightly and a photo is taken to create the illusion of motion. The second one would be duration of process. So this process is repeated hundreds or thousands of times depending on the length of the animation. The longer the animation will be, the longer the process will also be. So typically 12 to 24 frames per second are needed for smooth motion. And finally, the post-production. Just like pre-production and production, there is 2 elements in it, which is first one, the final product. Once all the frames are captured, they are put together in editing software. So when it is played quickly, the frame gives the illusion of continuous movement. Finally, the second one that will be editing. The images are then arranged in sequence and sound effect or voiceover may be added accordingly. So let's review what we have learned again. So in the conclusion, there is 3 steps on creating claymation, which is the first one, the pre-production, preparing materials, characters, and scenes. The second one, production, creating the life out of the clay using frames. And the third one, the post-production, the finale, where the editing and the final touch is applied. I hope this speech is able to ignite your interest on this unique form of animation that I hold dearly to myself. I want to share to everyone the understanding behind the creativity, time, and effort needed to create these unique and entertaining animated films. That is all from me today. Thank you.